Are you kidding? No. Yes. Yes. All right. Welcome back. This week, I'm draining the oil in old iron in the rain because I'm not a smart man. Ugh. Go in there, little puppy. Go in there. I'm darker than my soul. It's a good thing I did it. Oh, I need to get a rag. This needs. Also, this needs a new gasket, so we'll do that as well. And I got the oil filter over there. We're gonna put that in. Once it's done, roll out. Got all these. Oh my goodness. What was that? Almost done there. I'm gonna put it back on. These things are threaded like a Mobetta. Memory serves me correct, which I lost a long time ago with my mind. It's going to be passenger side. Once this done is draining, we're gonna get the oil filter. I went with STP, engineered to last up to 10,000 miles. But the reason I got it was the cheapest. No small feat in that. It was the cheapest and it's what they had, so that's all good. Come on, little buddy. Give it up all your oil. Oh, now you're just showing off, drip dropping. You're gonna want to take some of the old oil. Actually, use the new oil, whichever oil. And just put it around this gasket. Make it nice and pretty like. I can't tell if my oil is super dirty. It doesn't actually look too bad. Or if it is the pan, because the pan has definitely seen better days. And then after I do this, next week I'll be setting zero lash. Is that in there? Oh, that's snug as a bug. I don't think it needs the hair. All right. Perfect. Oil all over the tools. Perfect. That's what I was hoping for. Snaps, crackle. And call that person Doc. Oh, that's not good. Let's see what we got going on. Oh, jumping Jehovah. It already has a little gasket that's worn to the bone. I think we need to take it off. Give me a couple 20s, maybe a 10. I don't know. We'll figure it out when we get there. Oh, God, my butt is wet. My back is wet. This will do the trick. Oh. Well, this is harder to get out than a 21-year-old in a bar. What the you? Oh. Yeah, that wasn't good. Oh, they use space gel on this? Jesus. And it's finally off. Garbage. Back again to lay on the wet carpet, which is great. Not really. There it goes. There, I thought it went. Is this? Let's kind of sort of fill her in. Let's see if we can get this to tighten it a little. And that way, we'll be safe. No promises now. Gee golly. Got it, guys. Hold the clapping for after, please. Not all the way done. Thank you, though. Thank you, thank you. Now it's time to get this oil filter. And I got a feeling it's going to be super easy. No, it's probably going to be a bear. I'm probably going to have to get a torch to get it off. All right. Titter tatter. Let's get at her. These back. Throw this junk away. All right. See if I can show you. It was right there. Changed in. Can't read the date. I think it says 2019, right? All right. Well, let's get at her. Take that off. I'll try to get as much on me as possible, just so everybody knows not what to do or how to do it or how to fool it. Oh, that's a cool shirt. Thanks. Yeah, I got it from my Etsy store. You should check it out. Then maybe I can get 4 people to see it. Let's see. All right, where's the tool? There it is. All right. Who ever thought the water was wet? There you go, buddy. Lefty. Jesus. Tighten this, Superman. Now, just me. I got that done. Whew. Can't wait to take the shower. My butt is cold. Since I already put oil on the gasket, we won't have to worry about that. I just plug and play, then plug some other play. What do you know? STP one more time. Must be the cheapest. Got it twice. Don't over tighten these guys. They're so freaking difficult sometimes to get off. Look at the pressure that builds in there. And tight is just fine. Now I gotta get a pen to mark it. What do you guys think? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Talk to me yesterday. McDonald Beezy. All right, so I done did it. Drained all the oil. I'm gonna put new oil after I put on the new valve covers. Or I might do it today. I don't know. We'll see. We don't know. Maybe. I don't know. You tell me. What do you guys think? You guys want to comment? Comment. If you don't want to comment, fine. I didn't want to talk to you either. Let's see what the date was on this though. June 17th, 25. It looks pretty clean too. So that's how easy it is to drain. And guess what? It's even easier to refill. Just saying. If you want to check it out, let me know. I'll tell you how to check it out and do it, We can be friends. We can even be best friends if you guys really wanted. Not a big deal. I have one, maybe two friends. If anybody needs a friend, just let me know. I'll be there. Wasn't that a Garth Brooks something or another? Alright, so I'm all done in here. Hope you liked this episode. Short, sweet. Next week, valve covers, setting lash, and hopefully it's not raining. And I'm not doing it in the rain because that would suck. Alright.